Ficep's Orient CNC drilling line with an articulating high-performance spindle and FRC thermal cutting robot in combination achieves industry-leading versatility. Both systems are integrated into one common CNC control to generate cutoff, copes, weld prep, rat holes, dog bones, drilled bolt holes, scribing, thermal marking, and more. The Orient 1202 DDRC incorporates Ficep's traditional rack and pinion measuring system to achieve material positioning speeds up to 50 meters per minute while still maintaining industry-leading accuracy. The material positioning carriage is guided with prismatic ways that are mounted on a robust welded structure. The carriage assembly can position and measure all traditional structural steel shapes, including flats and, as an option, pipe. As the section enters the work center, the leading end of the material is sensed and the actual stock length is automatically measured. The Orient can be equipped with either 1 or 2 tool magazines to accommodate up to a maximum of 12 tools. The direct drive spindle delivers 100% of the motor's 17 kilowatts of power to the tool at up to 5,000 RPM. The combination of spindle power and RPMs enables the Orient to fully utilize the full range of today's high-performance tooling. The programmable spindle feed not only drills holes up to 40 millimeters, but is also capable of tapping, countersinking, and more. A second articulating spindle can be provided as an option to enhance productivity, as well as the addition of sub-axis spindle positioning. Scribing of the layout locations for a subsequent fitting can be generated on all 4 sides, with the underside option. The programming information to generate the layout locations, orientation marks, and welding symbols are automatically downloaded from the 3D model using Ficep's patented scribing software that automatically extracts the required data. After the section progresses through the Orient, it enters the FRC robot for all thermal processes. The FRC robot is traditionally configured with both a plasma and oxy-fuel torch, with an automatic torch change occurring in just seconds. Prior to any thermal processing, a non-contact laser scanning routine determines the relative surfaces in seconds. This assures reliable torch ignition and the accuracy of location for the programmed thermal cutting operations. The hypertherm plasma torch is generally used for cutoff, coping, mechanical openings, and weld prep. The oxy-fuel torch is required for the processing of thicker material or when generating web cuts that are required next to the flange where the smaller torch tip diameter is more versatile. Structural tubes can also be processed on all 4 sides. Even round pipe can be fabricated with this optional capability. This powerful combination of drilling and thermal cutting can also generate plate detail from a nested plate, which is a unique capability of Ficep's family of drilling lines with thermal cutting. The material positioning carriage transports the trailing end of the material up to the cutting chamber to maximize complete utilization of the stock material being processed. The addition of the drilling capability to the fabrication cell delivers the most economical and productive process for the generation of bolt holes in structural steel members. The Orient drill line with the FRC robot represents just part of the lineup of CNC drilling and thermal processing systems from Ficep. All Ficep models of 3-spindle drilling lines can also be fully integrated with the FRC robot. Regardless if the robot is in combination with a single spindle or 3-spindle drill line, the integration of high-performance drilling and thermal operations into one comprehensive fabrication cell provides the ultimate complement of fabrication capabilities. The ability to combine multiple operations into one work center reduces the required capital investment. Shop space, material handling operations, and man-hours per ton. Let us perform a production simulation of one of your past jobs with our proprietary software to confirm the productivity of this automated system. you will be quickly convinced of the versatility and tremendous productivity of this powerful and innovative combination.